This morning, we continue our Docs Rate Docs series. 10 TV teamed up with the Columbus Dispatch and asked Central Ohio doctors who they would see if they needed medical help.
Here's 10 TV's Andrea Camburn with a look at who some docs picked.
Good morning, guys. We received back more than 200 responses from licensed physicians in our 7-county metro area. And this morning, we would like to introduce you to the top choice in the field of neurology.
Close your eyes, touch your nose.
Simple tests.
Squeeze.
As low tech as they get. But what the patient can or cannot do may tell this doctor a lot about what's wrong. Dr. Jeffrey Eubank is a neurologist.
I might see some fairly common thing like a migraine and just help somebody not have to suffer with those. But then also in the very next patient could be someone with some really serious, dangerous illness.
Dr. Eubank says in his specialty, every day is different. And this kind of checkup is just a starting point for him when it comes to determining what disease of the nervous system may need treating.
Follow my finger. Being a neurologist is kind of like solving puzzles, so you get to try and get all these little clues and try and put them together. So if you like solving mysteries, puzzles, things like that, neurology is a fun field to get into.
Many patients he will see just once or twice, but others, such as those with stroke or multiple sclerosis, his specialties, he will see over a lifetime. For this puzzle solver, that's the intriguing part of his job.
And a big congratulations to Dr. Eubank. Now, this morning, we would also like to share with you the results for the docs chosen at the top of the list in pediatrics. They are Dr. Gregory Barrett and Dr. Jennifer Reisling-White. Now, we should say that we aren't endorsing any of the doctors in our very unscientific survey. However, we do want to take a minute and congratulate them for being recognized by their peers. That is pretty fabulous. Keep in mind as well that this survey can't be considered a definitive ranking of Central Ohio's best physicians, and it should not be viewed as a substitute for traditional physician referrals. So talk to your doctor about who they may recommend. Back to you, and we'll have more for you tomorrow morning.
Andrea, thanks. And to see the entire list of doctors, go to 10tv.com and click on Health, then Docs Rate Docs. And tonight at 6, Andrea will tell you about the top picks in the fields of ear, nose, and throat, as well as cosmetic surgery.